AirData is a fleet management software. We help our pilots track their drones, their batteries. We help pilots with their pilot currency. We started in 2015, really to provide that under the hood information about what goes on with drone flights. So you can analyze different things. How long was the flight time? What notifications appeared? Did the drone have an incident? You can go back and analyze that. We've made an effort to partner with a lot of different manufacturers. That's mostly hardware, some flight application manufacturers as well. And we're drone agnostic, so we want to support the flight logs from as many different platforms as possible. We understand that as our customers grow their fleet, they may have a tool, that being a drone, for a specific job, and we want to support those flight logs, so we support the whole ecosystem essentially. I think that sets us apart. That's been our philosophy from the beginning. Use whatever equipment you have. We want to grow with you, and it's done really well. So we have customers that just have one drone that start with us, and we help them scale all the way up to hundreds of drones, hundreds of pilots. We're big into public safety. A lot of first responders use our products. Agriculture, construction, any industry where you have a drone, have a fleet, we can find an application there. So you can create a free account on our website, start there, upload a couple of flight logs. Most of our flight logs can be uploaded automatically to our platform, and that's where it all starts. So from those logs, we can then help with tracking the maintenance for the drones, the batteries. You can run reports off of your data. So if the FAA says, hey, we want to see your flight logs from this period of time, you can run those reports on your AirData account. So that's where it all starts. Just start uploading logs. You can add multiple pilots to an AirData account. We want to be the end-to-end fleet management for our customers. Yeah, so a lot of people come to us and they say, either we're tracking with paper and pencil our flights, or we're using spreadsheets, and that's cumbersome, right? So it's not too bad when you have one drone, one pilot, but as you grow, tracking all of the flight logs for your drones, the maintenance for your drones, that's challenging. The bigger you get, the more those problems are escalated. So we are really trying to make pilots' lives easier. They go out and complete flights, and on the back end, that being AirData, we track all of that information automatically. We to date have made a big point of listening to our customers. What's most important for you all? What are the pain points that you have as customers? And we want to approach those with you. So we are a small, nimble company, and we can work with our customers to figure out, okay, here are the points, here are the areas of our software that we need to work on. Right now we're having a big push with developing a training management feature within our platform, so customers can upload those certifications they maybe get from a training school, upload those to their AirData accounts. And we actually just released a brand new feature about to be released where you can upload maybe a Part 107 certification. AirData gets the expiration date from that, or when it was issued, and we can automatically set up an alert for 2 years out when you need to do your recurring training. That's a big push that we have right now. So really helping our customers track all their certifications. I think that a lot of these different sectors that use drones are still discovering the applications for the drone. So I would say that you'd have to break it up into each vertical. What works for public safety today, I think it could be improved upon, and that will change in the next few years. The same with construction, energy. I think where drones are being used right now, we're still discovering the possibilities. So it's hard to say what the industry is going to look like in a few years, but I think we're learning as we go. I think everybody knows drone nerds. At least my experience, I got into the drone industry back in 2017. Very familiar with drone nerds, so us being affiliated with a big name such as yourself, I think is great for us. If someone sees drone nerds and they see AirData listed there, it's kind of validation for our product. So we appreciate the partnership that we have with you guys. We want to continue to grow with you.